Just starting to tinkle out here in Texas. A tinkling in Texas. It's like so warm that it's making it look foggy. That's a weird kind of look. And the sun is still kind of out in one area, so it kind of makes it look like a misty haze. Strange. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I got some of the yard mowed at least. And I left my little islands of flowers and the grass here. I would have planned it out better. I could have done like a whole little walkthrough thing, like a cottage garden. I'll have to figure that out for next time. I'm sure more will pop up. They usually do. I just gotta figure out how I want to do it exactly. I'll pick another day and walk you guys through it. But it's looking pretty out here. It's getting there. I like my table out back. I'm just gonna get some of this other stuff cleaned up. The stuff that I don't need anymore. Riding lawnmower if somebody needs one. And I have a tiller. Things like that. Still haven't gotten back to doing the couch yet. I haven't been feeling that well today. It took a lot out of me doing the lawn mowing yesterday. So here comes the sun again. It's like so weird. What is it like? It's 8 o'clock at night. It's usually like super dark by now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's like a weird light. It's like when you wear those sunglasses that have like a yellow, hazy hue to them. That's what it looks like right now. I don't know. You can kind of see the pond over there. Where those flowers are, the yellow and orange flowers. That's the pond area. One of them. This is the other one. I need someone to come over and run a weed whacker for me. I can't lift mine up. It's too heavy. I had a little battery operated one before because I needed something later, but it didn't last very long. It didn't work very well either, so I bought a gas powered one again, but it's just so stinking heavy it hurts to try to hold on to it, and you gotta move it around, you know, back and forth, kind of, and that's really tough on the spine. So I need some garden help, some housework help as far as like fixing things in the house, and definitely some weed whacker. But there's the pretty yard. And there's a cat here too, if anybody wants a cat. Her name is Gremlin. She loves lots of attention. And I'm allergic, so we're not a very good pair. She constantly wants me to pet her, and I constantly tell her, no, no, no. Go, 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 go. So come adopt her. Name her whatever you want.